What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a God TNT cannon. So basically it's a kind of a scatter cannon, but it self-destructs itself like right when it does enough damage, and then it's really awesome because you can like use it on your friends and then just run away and it'll self-destruct. And I thought that was pretty cool because then now you don't have to like break it and tell your friends that you did it. So let's get right into it now. And I'm going to teach you how to make the God cannon, like I said in the intro. So first up, what you'll need is you'll need to go, mess that up, you need to go in here. You're going to need a redstone comparator, some redstone, a lever, and you're going to need dispensers. You're going to need, I think, you're going to need some slabs. You're going to need some slabs, and you're also going to need, I didn't grab slabs. Let me grab slabs here. Grab some slabs, and then this is going to be done. So first up, what you want to do is you want to place the lever. You want to place this redstone comparator right here and press it. And then what you do is you wrap it around like that, and then it'll repeat like this. See? So now we're going to go into making the actual thing. So now what we need to do is we need to go to here, 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 and here. Now what we need to do is we need to crouch, put up on top of there, and basically we need to just keep doing this. Boom, bam, and then once we're done with that, we break this. We put some smooth stone slabs, or any slabs that you want, and just put them like this, and then you uncrouch, you do this, and then you put that like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to need to come back here and wire it up. So after that's done, copy my instructions, and it will look like this. And then what you'll need to do is, if you already know how to give a command block, go ahead and do that. But if you don't, you could do /give, and then you pick this weird A, and then you go back and press S, and then you space, and then you put COMMAND, and then you go to underscore, and then block, you type in block, and after you're done with that, you just press this button right there, that arrow button, and it gives you one. So basically what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to place it down. You're going to need to do this. You're going to want to put it on repeat in block type, and then you put /give, the weird A, and then S, or A, TNT, and then you space, and then 64. And then after you're done with that, you press X, it should turn blue, and then you put the lever down. And then what's going to happen is you just press it. So what you want to do is you want to clear your inventory out, and basically that's what it's going to do. It's just going to repeat giving you TNT. So here's how I do it. So I flip it on, I go onto one of them, I go into here, and I just use one block to fill the whole thing, because it should just keep refilling it. Okay, and I just filled all of it, and then when you're done, you want to flick this lever, you go into your chat, and you go /clear. And then after you do that, you press the arrow again, and it'll clear your inventory. And then after that, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get some redstone. And you're going to want to stand up here. So how you turn it on is you press the lever and you shift on there. And then just watch it fire. Yeah, there it goes. And you just watch it and it will explode. Now some of it's landing in the water, which causes it to not explode that much, but still it does a whole lot of damage when you use it against other people. So now you have to wait. Sometimes it might not self-destruct, but it's still very, very effective. Let's see what it's done. It's not loading in the chunks here. Uh-oh. Okay, so you can kind of hear it. We're going to turn it off. And look at this. That is what it did. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe. And comment down below if you have any questions. And I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. Bye.